Hello everyone, and welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where I talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. And today I am so excited because I have finally ended my self-imposed shopping pause, and I had a little bit of a shopping spree on Saturday at Hermes, and my try-on haul is up in my shorts if you want to go check that out, see all the things that I tried on. There may also be a glimpse of someone very little in there because she came with my husband and I, and just had a really wonderful, great day, but picked up some things as well. I have 6 items to unbox for you guys today, and I am so excited to get started because there's also a first for me in here today, and I am so excited to get that unboxed so that I can start wearing it. Actually, I'm really excited to get like all these things unboxed so that I can start using and wearing them. So with that, let's get into the first items. So the first 2 items that I bought are 2 little items, and they are 2 makeup products. So I bought an eyeshadow palette and a lipstick. Of course, the lipstick comes in a little orange box, and it has the little dust bag with it. And this is one of the shiny lipsticks. I have the Rouge H version of this. This is in Brune d'Ambre, I think. So it's basically, it's a golden brown. This is one of the sample colors that I got at the store opening. Loved it, and I've loved having the Rouge H, so decided to go ahead and get this color as well because I think it'll be really good for me for summer. Next is the eyeshadow palette. It also comes in the box with the Hermes dust bag, and it actually has a little brush inside of its dust bag, which is interesting. And then I got palette number 6, which has a lot of the colors that I use, the gold, the rougey pink, the brown. So I thought this was going to be a really great palette for me. Their eyeshadows are really pigmented, so I'm really excited to get to try this out. The next 2 items are a pair. They come in these little boxes. They are obviously Twillies, and they are meant to go on my Birkin as summer Twillies because, like people do in the summer, I get sweaty, my hands especially get sweaty, and so I want to make sure that I'm protecting my Birkin, which is why I got these 2. And the Twilly pattern is called L'Ombre de Boulevard Twilly, and it is in the cream, framboise, and blue colorway. And I think that these are so beautiful. I love that it is the Paris city print. I think this is a fabulous print. I think it's going to look great with my Birkin and my guitar charm. Next to the last item comes in this orange box, and there are 2 dust bags which tell you that they are shoes. And these are the match sneaker in this beautiful pink color. So it's got little touches of suede as well as leather. It has the little holes punched in the H, which make them really breathable. They also come with this color lace, and in here, they also come with pink laces as well, so if I don't want my laces to stand out as much, I can put those on. But oh my gosh, these feel like a cloud surrounding my foot. I tried these on and I was immediately like, yep, these are coming home with me. Game, set, match. Like, these are definitely going to be shoes that I buy today because they were so stinking comfortable. And if I put on a shoe that feels that comfortable, I'm gonna buy them. Because I am very picky when it comes to my shoes. I am like annoyingly picky when it comes to my shoes. And then the last item that I have to unbox for you guys today, and this is the one that I'm just so over the moon excited about, first for me. And it comes in a garment bag, and the garment bag actually like has a loop to loop over the hanger. It has snaps. But garment bag, and in here, and if you watched my try-on video where I was doing all the shopping, please put your guess for what this is down in the comments on which ready-to-wear piece you think I got, because I've never ever gotten a ready-to-wear piece from Hermes. The closest thing I have is my jacket, which is part of the equestrian line, and my cape, which again, part of the equestrian line. I got this gorgeous cardigan in navy, and it's got these hints of blue. This is from the spring summer collection, which is why I went ahead and got this one because it's going to be gone soon. And it has these buttons on, which I'll have to take the sticker off of, but you'll notice that on the crest there's not an H, and that's because this is the original crest before they put the H into the crest. And so I love that little detail. It is so soft, it fit me so well. as soon as I put this on, I was like, yeah, I think that this one needs to come home with me because I love it so much. And I was so excited to get this one. The cream bomber sweater was so close to me getting it, but they're coming out with a lot of colors in that for fall winter, and so I want to see the colors in it first before I make my decision. But I definitely think that that cardigan will be entering my collection as well for this fall. But again, that's a fall winter piece, so it's going to be around for quite a while. It's not even allowed out on the floor yet to be seen, so I have a little time on that to decide what color I want. But I put this on and immediately fell in love with it. I have nothing like this in my closet and in my wardrobe, and it was just absolutely perfect for me, so it had to join my collection. Let me know what you guys think of my haul, and with that, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. Bye!